This throat swab test kit will have been sent to you along with swab tests for other areas of your body. This video will show you how to test correctly at home in 6 simple steps. It's important that you finish watching the whole video and become familiar with all the steps before you begin. Ready? Let's go through these steps together. Step 1. When you get your test kit in the post, open it. The swab, personal information form, and return envelope will be inside. You should use this envelope to return all of your swab tests. Start by taking the sealed swab from the package. Step 2. Wash your hands and open the swab. Twist first to break the seal, then pull. The swab is attached to the cap and stays attached. Remember, don't throw the tube away. You'll put the swab back in after you've collected your sample. Step 3. Insert the white tip of the swab into your mouth. Turn the swab around, wiping the back of your throat. You will need to swab these 5 areas. The bugs we are testing for live inside our cells, so it's important to make sure you are wiping the walls of your throat enough. Gently remove the swab. Step 4. Place the used swab back in the tube and close tightly. That's the hard bit done. Now relax. Complete the form you found in the kit and write your name and date of birth on the swab tube. Step 5. Once you're done, put the form and swab tube into the envelope along with your other samples. Seal the envelope. Step 6. All you have to do now is pop the envelope in the post, and you're done. So what happens next? Using the contact details you put on the form, you'll be contacted with your results. It usually takes about 1 to 2 weeks. If you test positive for chlamydia or gonorrhea, then don't panic. It's not the end of the world. The nurse will work with you to find the best way to get you treated.